One live stream, every platform your audience already watches. With Simulcast, you send a single stream to Dacast, and Dacast handles the rest, pushing it out to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and any RTMP-compatible destination at once. Open one of your live streams, then click on the Engagement tab. From there, click the Connect button to bring up your Simulcast settings. Start with Facebook and copy your stream key. Switch over to Twitch and grab that key too. Then do the same on YouTube so all three are ready to go. Now head back to Dacast and paste each one in. Every destination connects to that same single stream. Add as many destinations as your plan allows, then manage them all from one place. One broadcast, maximum reach, no extra encoders, no extra uploads. That's Simulcast on Dacast.